You're looking for a luxury house in a very high-end gated community? Well, this is the right house for you. We are in Costa Verde, a very high-end gated community here in the South Pacific coast of Costa Rica, really close to Dominical and Uvita. And this house is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, beautifully designed, very luxurious house with magnificent ocean view. Let's go see it. Beautiful house right here. We already see the ocean view through the windows. We have the parking lot right there. 1 carport, 2 parking lots, and then a beautiful gate upstairs. And then look at that. Beautiful. So we are looking at the beautiful ocean. Sunset is right here, right in front of this house all year long. Over here we have the well style that we see from the 2nd story. Beautiful pool, beautiful terrace. The pool right here has Sukabumi tiles imported from Bali, very high-end. So right there we see 2 bedrooms. Those are master bedrooms. They're all master bedrooms in this house. And we have another bedroom on the other side. Right here, barbecue area, beautiful kitchen, quartz countertop, very beautiful, lots of storage. This is a huge kitchen, actually. Ocean view from the kitchen when you're cooking. And then we have the dining and then living room. One master bedroom, and then we have the master bedroom upstairs. Let's go here first. From the bed, beautiful ocean view leading to the pool and terrace. Imagine waking up with an ocean view like that. Bathroom right here, double sink, and then the shower over there has glass to the jungle. Let's go to the upstairs. Beautiful view to the back jungle. Look at this. This is impressive. See the well styles over there? Massive ocean view. And the sunset are magical right here. Imagine living right here. This is amazing. This is my favorite bedroom. And then we have the bathroom, again, double sink, glass to the jungle. This is amazing. Okay, So now let's go back down. Right here we have half bath, but also it is a laundry. This is the third bedroom right here. The exact same layout as the other ones. And then we have beautiful ocean view as well. There you go. It's beautiful. We have the pool house right there, beautiful yard. Right here, we have a creek on that side. The property doesn't touch the creek, but the creek is part of the common areas of this gated community. We have a little storage right there, and then the back of the house here with the parking lot. And then also on the back, we have quite a bit of usable space. If somebody wants to plant, a lot of people want to plant their own food, fruit trees and all that. Well, this is a little area that you can use for that, for a greenhouse. There's also an area up there that you can use to do raised bed and grow your own food up there. At the front of the house, there is an area that you can do another building site with a different entrance, just like this one, that goes directly to that building site and build another beautiful house, smaller than this, that can be used as a guest house with access from this house to the other one. That would be perfect for visits and also to rent. This is it for the walkthrough of this beautiful house here in Costa Verde, South Pacific coast of Costa Rica. This was Kevin Champagne with Osa Tropical Properties. For more information on this property, please contact me directly or any other team members here at Osa Tropical Properties. We'll be happy to help you for more information on this house. So until next time, take care.